What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Eddie, aka INZANE, and I appreciate y'all for tuning into another video. And today, actually I don't know what's up. Today I was supposed to be picking up the Supra, but I don't know if that's actually gonna be today or not. You can see my dad, he's strapping up his UTV right now because they're gonna go ride this weekend. But I think we're gonna install the seats right now. That's what I'm gonna go for right now. But he did say that I was supposed to take the car today. I'm supposed to be picking it up. It's Friday, but we don't know if that's gonna happen. So that's why I'm gonna drive over there and see what's gonna happen, see what's up, and we'll go from there. Like I said, don't know what's gonna happen right now. Don't know if I'm gonna even take this home or not. Take the Supra home. We're gonna find out. But that's why I'm gonna go. Hopefully they already washed it, sanded it, buffed it, what they had to do and all that. We're gonna see what's up. So hopefully I pick it up and we take it home. Cause I just wanna bring it home already, bro. I'm trying to do the reveal video for you guys, cause when I pick it up, it's still gonna have the stock wheels. So I still have to go put the work wheels on and get the height adjusted and everything like that. And then the door canards too. We're not gonna have those on either. Why? Because homie over here sent them back to a shop that he thought that was his package. I don't know. He confused his package for my package and ended up sending it to another shop, and they're making this a big old hassle. So they're gonna take like a week or two to send it back. I don't know, but if they don't end up sending it back, he said that he was gonna pay for the new one. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for those 2 weeks and see if we receive them or not, and then if not, we're gonna rebuy them. He's gonna buy them though. He already told me. So yeah, just cross our fingers right now, guys, that we pick up the Supra, and then I can start the reveal video for you guys. Like this is basically like behind the scenes to the reveal video, you feel me? So it's like a vlog within a reveal video. So yeah, showing you guys everything, what's going on, from me picking it up to everything, and then the wheels, all that good. I'm telling you, this reveal video is gonna be kind of pretty dope. I'm trying to make it dope at least. Bro, what is up, y'all? So it has been since that last clip, and obviously you guys can tell by my face. You guys can probably tell right now by this clip that I don't have the damn Supra. It is Sunday today. Yeah, I went Friday. Literally when I was filming that clip, I went to go see it, and they didn't do anything, bro. They were supposed to install the seats and paint the hood. I called them on Friday. Well, I texted them on Friday and told them, you know what, bro? Don't even worry about installing the seats anymore. I will do that myself. And he told me, in that case, I will have the car ready for you on Monday, which is tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow, I pick up the car. We go from there. So hopefully I can pick up the car and bring it back home, because I have to install the seats myself now. And then on Sunday, you guys won't see that in this video, but next week, I have an appointment already for the star lights and the ambient lightings. Bro, a lot's gonna get done already, and I just want the Supra back. Plus, I already made the appointment for the star lights, so I kinda need it back pretty soon, at least this week. And then I can finally get the reveal video out for you guys. Like, this is all behind the scenes of working up to getting the Supra. So you guys will probably see this in the reveal video. I'm not sure yet. Don't know what I'm gonna do yet. And then I had the homie Brandon hit me up asking, well, he actually offered to help me with the reveal video. So shout out to Brandon for that. He's gonna help me do the reveal video. We're gonna get some dope cinematic shots and everything, bro. I've already sent him like inspiration videos that kind of how I want this video to come out and look. So, and then there's still things to do when the car comes back, bro. Like I'm telling you guys, starlights, wheels, still have the steering wheel here, charge pipe, intake. Like, bro, there's still things to do with the Supra. So like, that's why I kind of want it back too, because I want to start doing all these other modifications on it too. But gotta be patient, bro. Gotta be patient. I wish I could just have it back right now, bro. But I want to say, if I get it back tomorrow, it is 85% done. Yeah. 85% done. Pretty sure you guys can tell that I'm so frustrated. You guys could be seeing through all these videos that I've been told that it'll be done this week. It'll be done this week. And then it gets pushed back. And then, yeah, bro. So if you're a car guy and you know your car's been in the shop, you guys know how shops work. They will push it back, push it back, and push it back, bro. But it's all love at the end of the day, you feel me? It's all love at the end of the day. I'm just, you know, impatient. I know they fixing my car and doing what they had to do and all that. Very appreciative and grateful for the work, but you understand me too. So it has been, oh bro. Alright, so I said I was gonna pick up the car Friday. It has been past Friday. It is now Tuesday. I was supposed to pick up the car yesterday, but no. And yeah, now we're here. I did tell you guys I was gonna get my seats, but I left one seat. I left the passenger seat because they had already taken it out. They already assembled the bracket and the mount and all that, but they hadn't put the seat in yet. So I was just like, you know what? I'll leave that seat, and then you guys saw that one, and I'll install the driver's seat. I could have shown you guys the whole assembly part, but bro, that shit took me like 2 hours. I was out here trying to figure it out. Keep in mind, I've never assembled a seat bracket or done all that, so I was like watching YouTube videos trying to figure it out. It's good thing I found the video and it like broke it down for me, so shout out to that dude, whoever it was. Sorry for... I finished it. We got the seat all mounted and bracketed up. We got the brackets on. You can see brackets. I don't know if you guys can see that over here. Let me see. Oh, brackets. It's too dark. You guys can't see, but the brackets are on. Obviously, I'm just waiting on some... I'm waiting on the stock seat so I can obviously get the parts from it, like the seatbelt thing and all that, so I can mount those pieces and all that. So I'm like literally recording every behind the scenes so you guys can see. Like this past couple of days I've just been like, you know, type shit. But it is what it is. We're just we're hoping we get it tomorrow. That's what he said. He was so positive and sure about it. So we pick it up tomorrow. We're picking it up tomorrow.
Tomorrow for sure.
Hold on. Alright, so we was at the body shop, and today, guys, is the day. We are picking up the Supra. Finally, we have the passenger seat here because I'm going to install it. As you guys saw earlier in the clip, I installed the driver one, so I just told him I'll do this one myself. But the Supra is ready, bro. She is looking hella gorgeous, hella beautiful right now. It is off. The lip is off right now because we took it off. But I don't want to show you guys the car just yet. I'm sorry. The car is back. It is back, but I don't want to show you guys just yet until I install the seats, until I put the wheels and the lips on, and then I think that's should be it. We're missing the carbon door canards, but the other company hasn't yet hit us or let us know if they're gonna ship it back or not, so we're giving it to next Friday. If we get it next Friday, then we have them, but if we don't get them next Friday, then he's gonna order a new pair for me because obviously it was his mistake. So he said he was gonna do that, but right now we're actually gonna go test drive the car, make sure everything's right, make sure the suspension's okay, make sure the alignment's good. So we're gonna test drive it right now. He did tell me there's gonna be lights on, like the airbag light, obviously due to the seat being disconnected, and what other lights, and the tire sensor lights, obviously because there's no sensors on the wheels right now. So yeah, we're gonna go test drive it right now, waiting for this car to pull out, but we're gonna go test drive it to make sure everything is good on the car. But bro, she looks beautiful, bro. Perfect. Like nothing ever happened to her, bro. And I can't wait to show you guys. Like, oh my god, bro. Alright, y'all. So I had to switch over to my phone because I left my camera in the Supra. And as you guys can tell, we're not in the Supra. I was supposed to go on a test drive right now, but the car literally has no coolant, bro. And I told him, like, yo, I'm gonna go pick up coolant first and then I'll test drive it because there is nothing, and I do not want this car to overheat on me or break on me or anything like that. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I have the stock seat back here, the passenger one, and then I have the passenger seat there that I have to install later. They weren't able to do it. I think they were just, I just think they didn't want to do it. Personally, I just think they just didn't want to do it, but which is fine. I'll do it. I got the hang of it. I know how to do it now, so no biggie. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some coolant, come back, we'll refill it, and then I'll go take a little test drive, and then yeah, then we'll go from there. I'm pretty sure, as you guys can hear, we are in the Supra. This just sounds so damn good. Can hear we using the Supra, bro, but a couple things still need to be done. We are checking, making sure the temps don't go any higher or anything like that. I have no gas either. It is a Christmas tree. I have the airbag light, the seatbelt light on, obviously because I have no seat. But yeah, bro, this shit is loud too. It is loud. Just realized that. I mean, just started taking account of that. It is pretty loud, and we added coolant, just making sure the temps are good. And then the parking assistant malfunction, I want to know what that is. And we're back in the Denali. Bro. Alright, it's because I had to drop off the guy that was driving this truck to my house because I was taking the Supra. And then he drove this back. So yeah, I had to drop him off. The Supra has no gas, bro. And like the nearest E85 station is like, I want to say like maybe 6 miles away. I think I can make it. I don't know how low it is on fuel, but it's pretty fucking low. If you guys know, it's E50 tuned, so I need to mix it. E50 with, I need to put E85 with gas, so I need to mix it. All right, fam. It is the next day. We're actually about to get its first fill up since it's been back. And actually, I've already came across some problems, but we're about to take it back to the shop in a bit. But it needs an alignment again because the steering wheel's off. It says the trunk is open, but it's not. And I just looked at it and it's not aligned properly. And then that's pretty much it. I installed the seat, the passenger one, but I gotta take it back out. I think I told you guys that already, to add some 2 bolts in there. And then I gotta take this seat out and add my seat in. Then yeah, gotta get some E85 mix, you feel me? Put that in right now, and then we'll head to the shop and they'll do what they gotta do. But yeah, bro, she's pretty much back. Driving pretty good, but other than the alignment and all that, because I could feel it moving, it's solid, bro. And the exhaust is loud, bro, but it sounds amazing. And we have to align that again too, because it's hitting the diffuser and I can hear it rattling. So we gotta fix that again. Couple things to fix, bro. You know, hopefully they do that all today. All right, so I'm back home and I just removed the bolts for the seats because I'm gonna take this passenger seat out and adjust it right and put these bolts right and make sure my passengers are sitting right and shit. Bro, this seat's so dirty, bro. If y'all remember this whole seat situation, y'all know. But yeah, we're gonna take the seat out, put in the house, adjust it right, and then at 1 o'clock I have an appointment. It is 12:18. I have an appointment for the alignment, and then after that we're gonna go add the side skirts, get the whole trunk thing situated. But I'm trying to find a shop right now so I can get the wheels mounted and everything like that, so then I can show you guys the car, because I know I'm holding back right now on you guys. But actually I can show you it right now because it has nothing on it. It just looks like stock. So actually I could show you guys it. Here, I'll show you it right now. Boom, bro. Sure she is, y'all. She is back, bro. Look at her, bro, glistening. They washed her up, detailed her and everything, and she looks hella good, bro. That's why she is glistening and shining right now off the damn camera. We got the fenders. Obviously looks very stock, but we're missing the lip, the side skirts, the wheels, and I'm still adding my seats in. Still gotta add the steering wheel. Like, still so much things to do. And then we gotta realign the exhaust. As you guys can see, look, it is hitting the diffuser. So we gotta get that realigned, make sure it's all good. And then yeah, they have to fix a couple more things, but other than that, she's chilling, bro. She's looking hella good. Alright, now we behind the Supra and we are on the way to get an alignment, bro. Because the steering wheel moves like this when it's supposedly straight, but it's not. So yeah, we gotta go fix that. And then took the seat out, and then we gotta go back to the shop to get everything else fixed. So they raising me on the alignment grid. Oh shit, I'm getting as tall as this Jeep. But yeah, bro, so we is about to do the alignment. They're doing it for me right now. They told me I didn't have to get out the car, so I was like, all right, cool. So I'll just stay here. But yeah, they're gonna fix the steering wheel because, as you guys can see, this is it straight, and it's a little to the right. So we gotta fix it, make sure it's straight. But yeah, damn, I wish I recorded it. It had just like moved back to its normal position. That shit was weird. It was left, and then boom, it just straightened out. Because obviously fixed in the bottom, but yeah, bro, we gotta do it. We gotta do a, you know, engine oil service because this thing needs one. It needed one last month, but it should be good oil, you know. Like, I've been doing this shit in like months, you know. Nah, I'm just kidding. I don't know. It should probably does need to be drained, huh? Probably do that. Damn, bro, this guy looks dirty, man. What the hell, man? Damn. Even this, goddamn. Things I'll be finding, bro. But it smells good in here though. And, they fixed the trunk. They didn't add the lip or the side skirts today because they want to see if the parking like assistance sensors and all that, once they clear the codes, they want to see if it'll come back again. And if it does, they're gonna have to take off the bumper. But if it doesn't, Monday they will install everything. So hopefully they clear the codes and it should be fine. And then on Monday we'll have the whole car complete with the lip, the side skirts, and then I gotta get the wheels done ASAP, bro. Other than that, everything's chilling. The alignment is straight now. We're gonna go fix that already, so that's good. And and then obviously I gotta just install the seat and everything like that, and then we should be fine. Damn, bro, the content's gonna be insane now. I forgot I still have the Insta360 that we can attach to the back now. I even had the POV, I want to know, I forgot what it's called, bro. It's not a GoPro, but it's the Insta360, but for I forgot what it's called, I'm sorry. Yeah, I got that for POV shots and all that, so, bro, content's about to be lit. Alright, now that I've fixed the seat, now we can throw it back in here. The seat. I just hate how these brackets aren't long enough, so like the seat ends up looking so damn close. I hope they're just comfortable for my passenger, you know? But if not, oh damn well. Too bad, jackass. Smooth like butter, baby. Smooth like butter. Bro, I'm just like, oh, there's still things to finish off on the car, bro. And I'm just like, so impatient. I just want to do it now. Oh yeah. Now take a look. Let me know what you guys think. Does she look good? Does she look good in the car like that? Shit. I don't know, y'all tell me. Y'all tell me. Damn, she look good in here. Now he's got to get the other one installed.